Okay.
Rolling?
Yes, it's rolling now.
I want to talk about the Ridgid toolboxes, which are fantastic. You have the large one on the bottom with the wheels, you have the medium one, and you have the small one on top. I love this system, it is amazing, but I found out that I had to now start traveling, so I came up with a different plan. The Ridgid toolboxes lock on the sides, so you can remove the small one like this. Take it off. You can unlock the medium one like this and remove it, and you have just the large one. You unbuckle this, and for my purposes in traveling, I need to have a lot of tools. So I filled this with tools. Okay? And then I found that I needed clothes while I was traveling. So that's where this one comes in. So we unbuckle these, we take it off, and I've got shoes, pants, skivvies, socks, everything in the medium size box. Okay, then we lock these into place. It all becomes one. Then we have the small box. Okay, we lock it into place. Put the telescoping arm down. We open this up, and we've got IPAs from Deschutes Brewery, Bend, Oregon. Fantastic beer. So this is when you're done working and you go back to your motel room and you can enjoy India Pale Ale. You can enjoy Pine Drops. What else? Well, there's another India. Oh, there's a Black Butte Porter. Fantastic beer. I love Deschutes Brewery, and I love the Ridgid toolboxes. They are absolutely amazing. All you do is lock everything together. Everything's locked together. Tilt it back, and you've got tools, clothes, beer. What else is there?